Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm not 100% sure of the question that somebody asked me on my YouTube videos. I made a video a while back. You know, if you need to draw a straight line, you can start moving, hold down the control button, and you get a straight line. But if you're using this freehand tool and you draw something freehand, and then you want to draw a straight line, if you hold down the shift key, it will draw a straight line. And then when you release it, you can go back to your original item. Her question or their question was, how can you straighten a line that you've already drawn if you didn't know about that? So let's just draw a line, pretty crooked, but let's take all the interior nodes away by taking and selecting them and hitting delete. Take the last two nodes and right click and turn them into a line. Now you've got a straight line between those two objects. Of course, if you started, you know, let's draw, well, let's make them perfect. I'm going to hold down the control key so those two circles are on the same plane. I'm going to draw with the freehand tool, and I'm going to go from the center and just mess it up and go back to the center. Now, if we zoom in and go to take all the nodes away from the interior and hit delete, and actually there's a node right there, I'm going to hit delete, and then select these two nodes and right click and turn them into a line, you've got a straight line between those starting and stopping points. Pretty good question. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.